on, people? It's your boy Ace of Shaq, and we are back with another reaction video. Straight away, make sure you guys hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Guys, I apologize for the mic or audio. My microphone has broken, so for the foreseeable future, I will be reacting with my headphones right, but I'm going to be buying a new one as soon as possible. I will accept donations and stuff for a new mic, but it might take a little bit for me to earn some money to get a new mic. So unfortunately, y'all gonna have to deal with the audio that I have. Today we're about to react to something a little bit different. We're about to check out J. Cole's new track called Clouds. Um, yeah, J. Cole. I haven't listened to J. Cole in a minute, you know. I'm not like a super huge J. Cole fan. Um, like most people are like super huge J. Cole fans. When people are like rap fans, people listen to J. Cole a lot, and people give their opinion on J. Cole a lot, and recommend and say that J. Cole's one of the best around. And um, which I'm not gonna say I disagree with. I don't disagree with it. I'm just not like a huge J. Cole fan like that. So like when J. Cole and Kendrick and Drake were all doing their beef, it even took me a while to even listen to like They Not Like Us until I heard how popular it became, and I was like, okay, let me dive into the beef a little bit and see what's going on. So yeah, I'm not super a huge fan, but yeah, J. Cole, man. Whenever I have listened to his songs, they've been really dope. I feel like J. Cole's songs are music that you have to like sit down and listen to at first. Like you really have to sit down and take it in, cause he be dropping some deep stuff in his lyrics. And then after you taking it in, then you can go off and you know what I mean, just listen to it casually. But I feel like the first time you listen to a J. Cole song, you have to like take it in a little bit, see what he's saying, and get a little bit of an appreciation for it, which is fine. It's not a bad thing. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. It's just like sometimes I don't have time to like sit down and dive into a song. There's so much music these days that music just goes so fast. But anyway, so we're gonna check out Clouds from J. Cole. This is I picked the video that has the lyrics on screen, so I can go and look at the lyrics and deep dive some meanings and see what he's trying to say. So maybe I don't know. I don't know how we're gonna do this. We're gonna stop some of the way through and take a look at what he's saying. But again, this is like the first time I'm doing stuff kind of like this, especially with rap music. So I appreciate if you guys have any recommendations of how you'd like to see the reaction done or yeah, I don't really watch reaction channels, so I just do them. So I don't know how other people react, but if you guys have recommendations, I appreciate it all the time. But yeah, let's go into this. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Let me see what J. Cole's doing. Hey, woo! I might have to turn the audio down a little bit because I don't want that copyright. Uh, uh, woo! Yeah, this is one of them songs that you can listen to this song when you're like when I'm cooking or something or when I'm just like vibing during the evening. Ah. Woo. Hey. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. God damn. Yeah. Jesus. Jesus. Alright, listen. Woo. Hey, hold on. We have to go back real quick. God damn, J. Cole, man. J. Cole, man. Alright, let me see what he's going for. Please believe these slow teach egos to freeze when then recede. I'm C4 beneath your Jeep. The second you turn that keyhole, then he blows your weak flows right out of the water. Damn. Alright, let's go. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Ah, to push it farther than you niggas have ever thought of. Alright, let me even stop swearing because YouTube. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hold on. Wait. Let me see what he said. I caught a lot of murder charges to an artist to martyrs. God damn, J. Cole, who you turning into martyrs? This is why that J. Cole and Kendrick beef would have been crazy. That it would have been crazy. Like a friendly beef would have been crazy. When I rock turns to goddess, you know. Yeah. Man said, thoughts turn to goddess. Yes, sir, J. Cole. My hands are full with grinds I pulled. Hey. Jeez. Sandra Bull. Yeah. Yeah. Jesus. Ah, the flow is different. The flow is different. Ah. Ah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Ah, a Spike Lee of the audio. Yeah? Man's nice with it. See, Spike Lee of movies. Spike Lee bring out the fire movies, yeah? And plus that NBA my career that he done that one time was cold as well. Man said Dodge shows collect coins like a Mario, but it's not a gaming experience. No, no, no. Yo, Jacob, see when he's sitting down writing these bars, yeah? Like, I ain't gonna lie, I know a lot of these bars are going over my head right now. So that's how I know, like, and I'm a writing dude, like, I love poetry and writing and stuff. But it's just like, bro, like, I need to dive deep in your head. Like, I feel like I need to sit down like 4 or 5 times to even, like, know even half. I feel like so much is flowing past my head right now. Like, it's hard. I feel like J. Cole's they need to give J. Cole songs as a like a English test in school. That literature test, cause the metaphors are metaphoring. Obviously I don't know too much about J. Cole, so I'm probably missing out a lot. Ah. Woo. And then I feel like this the chorus bit is slow and it kind of brings me back into a relaxed dance, and then he starts. Mm. Yeah. Woo! I'm that bass in your trunk, the bullet that missed Trump. Yeah? The gun that jammed because it seemed like God had other plans. Yes, sir. Jacob is boring, you know. Making stuff rhyme that shouldn't be rhyming. The son of man extending his hand to the son of Sam. Y'all, who knows about son of Sam? Them killers there. The son of man. Jesus. Yeah? I'm thinking Jesus, because it says the son of man. I'm thinking son of God. Extend his hand to the son of Sam in forgiveness for all the world's homicide. Yo, J. Cole, yeah? Listen, man. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Jeez, man. Woo. Yeah, let him know, Jay. Let him know, Jay. Yeah. Yeah. You know J. Cole, yeah? Like that bar there about, someone, let me even go back and remember what he even said. I'm defined by my rhymes. There were times when I was down and I thought I lost it. This is why people love J. Cole, man, because you can sit there and just like you feel like he's speaking to me right now. He's speaking to a lot of us right now. that will listen to J. Cole, and you feel like he understands exactly where I'm coming from. Like this dude understands what it's about. He understands what it's like. Like sometimes like you'll be singing a song, um, and that 24 carats Bruno Mars. Like sometimes I'll be singing 24 karat magic kitty, and in my mind I'm like, I don't have 24 carats. I shouldn't really be singing this song. But with like J. Cole, it's like, yo, I can sing the song. I can rap the lyrics because he speak it's me. Like this is my life. This is what I've gone through as well. So um yeah, I think that's why he connects a lot with people, man, because the bars that he drops is like, man, like you can relate. Everybody can relate so much, man. That's what I loved about him. Yeah. Uh. Woo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep hold of your dreams no matter how hard it seems. Listen, I need to run that bar again. Keep hold of your dreams no matter how hard it seems. I keep telling people. Ain't no time limit to get it. You ain't never too old. I keep telling people. Yo, Morgan Freeman was like 45 or 50 or something when he started doing acting. Like there's a lot of people that started doing stuff in their old age and right now they're famous and at the top of their game. I'm telling you, yo, Jacob, speak your bro. Hey. Yeah. Let's go. Woo. Yeah. Wait. Cause you talking to me. What you say? I seen babies turn the things addicted to the screens their dad shares. Cashiers replaced by machines. It's true, Addicted to the screen their dad shares. Yeah? Yeah? Jaco! Jaco's me. I know, like, this is a reaction channel on YouTube, but I'll be telling people's kids be growing up on iPads these days. Don't buy. Subscribe so you can just stream your content. Like rent, you won't own a thing. Don't buy. Subscribe so you can just stream your content. Alright, so I don't get that as much. Don't buy subscribe so you can just stream your content like rent. You won't own a thing. Let me know what you think that means in the comments down below. I feel like because I'm a YouTuber, my mind is like big man. You don't need to worry about that one. But let me know what you guys think is. Yeah, it's great in there. AI is getting in there. Yeah, it's getting there. The AI stuff is getting there. Man. Yes, sir, J. Cole. This is what I'm talking about with J. Cole. I can't just listen to this song willy nilly. There's no way I can just listen to this song randomly. I can't just randomly go and click this music video and just listen to this for the first time. Hell no, man. Um, again, man, J. Cole's the go out here for bars and lyrics and just the way he makes you think when he raps and just the way you can appreciate his music and he's coming at it from a perspective that people can understand and get some sort of connection and like even for me sitting there listening to some of his bars, like I live in Tokyo, Japan. I don't even live in a hood right now to where I'm like struggling or anything. But even just sitting down, thinking of like growing up, thinking of like family that do live in, uh, back in the UK, back in, lower conditions. Like bro, he's his lyrics. I can imagine those people that living in that situation, listening to the lyrics and being like, "Yo, he's talking. He knows how I feel." And I can see why people resonate with J. Cole so much now because it's like, yo, this dude knows exactly how I'm feeling. He knows the struggle. Um, I'm gonna lie, my camera decided to go. Um, but yeah, he knows my struggle. And he knows how I feel. So yeah, man, I understand why I'm back. I understand why people really like J. Cole and mess with him a lot, man. But let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. Are there any bars that I missed? If there's any bars that I missed, any meanings, any innuendos, any metaphors that I missed, let me know in the comments down below. Let's discuss. Yeah, but let me know if you guys like this kind of reaction. If you want to see more, if there's any more songs you'd like to me to react to, any lyrics you'd like me to react to. Yeah, when it comes to that rap and hip hop, or especially J Cole, I probably missed out so much. I hardly listen to J Cole, maybe only the mainstream ones. So yeah, give me your recommendations. If I haven't listened to it, then I'll definitely check it out. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you press the like button and subscribe if you have not. But for now, I've been your boy Ace of Shaq. You guys have been my players. Thanks for watching, people. Peace.